Hi, thank you for tuning in. Into the video, I'll be showing you guys how to avoid the large gap on your crochet braid. So today's video, I'm gonna show you the crochet braid pattern that you can use to avoid the large middle gap that you usually found in people life. So just keep on watching. So since I'm going to concentrate on just the front part, my mannequin, I'm going to show you this mannequin here. So what you want to do, if you want to any part, you make sure this is the best braiding pattern to do your crochet braid. So I'm going to start in the middle. It doesn't matter where you start there, I just choose to start in the middle. So I'm going to create a line, like you're beginning your braid, So this is gonna be one braid, and let's just say this is gonna be another braid right here. So this is what I'm talking about. You see, this is braid and this is braid. If you just braid it, it's gonna give you this white part. So I want to show you how to avoid this huge gap in the middle of your crochet braid. So this is what you're gonna do. Let's just assume this is a two braid right here. You want to avoid this right here. So what you will do, you will interlock it. I hope that's correct. I'm just gonna create a little path here, like you're making a crisscross braid pattern. So I'm gonna do this braid pattern right here. Then you see this part that I already, I'm gonna cut it short too. It all depends on how you don't want this white. So I'm gonna take this one and braid all the way through them. So I'm just gonna be quiet and just watch me do it. For the sake of this video, because I don't want it to be too long, so if you can add extension, little bit of braiding here on your braid to make it more tighter. But because I don't want this video to be too long, I'm just gonna braid. So you're just gonna braid right down to the end. But since I just want to show you how to avoid that thing, I'm not gonna braid right to the end. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this part right here and braid on the side. So you see if you're gonna crochet it right there, it's gonna give just a little bit of part rather than giving this wide part. So that's how you want to do. You want to make sure if you're doing all straight back crochet braid, this is how you want to do your braiding pattern, which is the best way. My clip fell, so what I'll do, you just have to do it completely. I'm gonna use my hand to pat because I think I just dropped my clip. So you want to take the section, you want to take another section, we're gonna use our hands. I just dropped my clip and I'm holding my phone, so if I just leave it, it's gonna, this is just for example. You can get a smaller part. So I have another two side. If you just braid it straight back like this, it's gonna leave this white part, and that's something you want to avoid, because when you crochet your hair, you're gonna get this white part, and if you're not really a professional and actually you know what to do, you're gonna have it like this, and that's something that's not cute, you know. So you want to, what you're gonna do, depending on how, you know, small you want your part to be, you're gonna take a little section and take it out, and another section and take it out, just as small as you want it. So you have the left and the right. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the right, this is the right, you're gonna braid with the left hair. You're gonna take this right and braid with the left hair, like you're crisscross, you just crisscross the hair. One thing I like about crochet braid is that guys, it's very easy, it's very easy. I see a lot of people with that gap. It's very easy. And this is the right and this is the left. Remember the one you took out, and you're gonna take this one. That's how you're gonna get the crisscross braid. You see, when you do your braids like this, you see how small the gaps. This is the middle part. If you do your braid like this, trust me, you can pat your hair any way that you desire, and you're not gonna leave all this big gap over here. You know, that's what you want to avoid. So if you're doing a crochet braid or straight back, this is the best braiding pattern to use, especially when you're dealing with the weave. And if there's any other thing that you would like me to teach you on, I'm willing to teach you, because I realize that um a lot of you are doing it wrong. So if you really want to learn how to do crochet braids on different braid pattern, I am a stylist by profession. I do a lot of crochet braid, and my crochet braid doesn't look like, it pisses me off when I see people having crochet braid looking like, you know, like they have some jungle on their head. That's not cute, you know. So you can do that. Oh, you can do the exact same thing on all the braids, and you just connect it at the back. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I know I didn't want it to be too long, that's how I was kind of like, but I think you get it. So that's how you do it, you just interlock it. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.